Alright guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create a Windows 7 Professional virtual machine on an external hard drive using VMware Player as a virtualization software. It's something I had to do for one of my classes, file system analysis, but it's requested for other classes too. So if you are a current Stark State student, you want to listen closely to what I'm explaining you right now. Okay, first thing you had to do is having, of course, an external drive with a certain available disk space. In this case, this is a 500 gigs hard drive. Alright, the tools you need are, first of all, VMware Player. Now, if you're a Stark State student, you better download this version from Old Apps. I can put the link in the description because the computer labs at Stark State have this version installed. They didn't update VMware to the current version yet. So if you use a later version, your virtual machine will run. So first of all, you need to download this and install it to your external hard drive, which I have already done. Second of all, you need an ISO of Windows 7 Professional. Now, if you're a college student, this is a general consideration, but it's worth for Stark State 2. You can download genuine Windows software through this website, DreamSpark. This website supplies you with genuine Microsoft software, including Windows, of course, that you can download for free if you have a student account and your college uh, is enrolled in this program. That's because all the software is practically paid for by your college. So, um, if you're a Stark State student, you'll need to go to a specific Stark State website that's inside this domain of DreamSpark, and you'll be able to download an ISO or Windows 7 Professional. Don't ask me for the specific links because this is something that your instructor should give you. So, uh, alright, I reinstalled the software on the system, so at this point I'm going to open it. Alright, at this point we're going to create a new virtual machine. Right, so we created our virtual machine and named it Windows 7. It's a Windows 7 Professional. Now we choose to store as a single file and we click Next. At this point, we start a Windows installation. Alright, so we're gonna wait for a while for the installation to complete, and it's almost done. As you can see, there are a series of steps that our installation has to go through. We're actually at the second stage of our installation right now. Now we only need to install the updates and complete the installation to move on. But it's a matter of a few seconds. So only a little patience to get this installation completed. Alright, so of course Windows needs to restart to continue the installation. How neat is that? There we go. We're restarting, and looks like everything is looking good, and we were able to nail this thing down once and for all. I tell you what, I was going nuts because I had an error for several times, so I had to change things around. Okay, so we finally done and ready to move on with our installation of Windows 7 virtual machine. Alright, okay, so now the reboot, of course. There we go. And now Windows is preparing our desktop substantially, which will require some time the first time we start the virtual machine, like we do with an ordinary Windows installation, by the way, so nothing new here. It's making a series of checks. Now it's preparing finally our desktop, and we're finally done with our installation. So we can pretty much close VMware after powering off our virtual machine. There's only one thing left, which is to copy the virtual machines folder in the document of your local computer to your external hard drive in order to have a virtual machine that can be bootable from an external hard drive and you can copy to your lab computer. That's all, guys. So keep following me. That's all for this video, and have a good one.